Welcome back. You're watching Community Roundup and I'm Kritika Aswani. The annual Telugu Association of North America convention, also known as TANA, was held at Santa Clara Convention Center over the 4th of July weekend. Approximately 5,000 people attended the conference, which consisted of cultural programs, business exhibitions, and performances. The yearly convention attracts Telugu families across the U.S. because of its informative yet entertaining atmosphere that connects people to their roots. TV Asia's Bay Area Bureau team has the story.
This conference is an ideal place for attendees to shop and reunite with their friends, understand more about their culture, and catch up with their favorite entertainment personalities. We were able to speak to Ravi Verma regarding Tana and his message to his fans.
पहले टीवी एशिया के व्यूअर्स को मेरे नमस्ते. आई होप ऑल इज़ वेल अपना 3 इडियट्स की तरह. एंड या माय नेम इज़ रवि वर्मा. मुझे ना सीरियल में अच्छा ही लगता है, बट बहुत सारा कैरेक्टर, एक ही कैरेक्टर बहुत दिन करना पड़ता है, इसीलिए मेरे को मुझे मूवीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है. और फिल्म्स में द कैरेक्टर्स आर, एक कैरेक्टर को एक किरदार को लिया जाता है तो पूरा 2 घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाता है, पूरी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती है. तो दैट्स गुड एंड दैट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मी कि कुछ भी अगर मैं करना चाहूँ, कोई रोल प्ले करना चाहूँ, तो यू नो आई कैन डू. रिक्शा वाला बन सकता हूँ, बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बन सकता हूँ, HR शाह जी की तरह, यू नो, टीवी एशिया में. तो those are the kind of things that inspired me to get into movies. TANA is basically Telugu Association of North America, and the good thing about this conference is that ki pure AP mein, I mean all the NRIs, the Telugu NRIs living here are here, and with one shot of 3 days, 3 दिन में उनको pretty much हर एक subject touch करते हैं. The entrepreneurship, cultural activities, literature, or you know, many other spiritual also.
So nice to be amongst so many Telugu people outside of Andhra Pradesh. So especially with all the movie personalities, literary figures, it's very nice.
And this is our first time at a TANA conference, and we're very pleased with what we see.
Food is pretty good.
Food's pretty good. Interesting topics being covered. Lots of fun.
Lots of colorful costumes and everything. Pretty cool events.
Have you to put in to do this decoration?
Oh, it's not just the arts. We have been doing this since months. Once we started planning for the overall layout, and we took different aspects into consideration, like all of the Telugu related, all the aspects like the temple, and then most of the Indian culture and heritage. We have incorporated a lot of the cultural related items like the Orugalu, Kota, and then all the Mahanandi, all these pictures into it, where we try to bring our Telugu into this, and then we tried all the...
A lot of community people, especially people who come from India newly, they are looking for temple in Bay Area. And our temple is where we maintain authentic rituals and everything. They feel homely when they come to our temple, and they love it with their families and all. Whoever comes, they really appreciate what we do there for them.
Tana attracted youth and elderly attendees alike, and had programs catered for all age groups. There was Bharatanatyam and various drama and singing performances to keep everyone entertained during the 3-day-long conference.
Guru Arjan Dev Ji was the 5th of the 10 Gurus of Sikhism. He was also the one who initiated the construction of the world-famous Golden Temple, Sri Harmandir Sahib. His morals, teachings, beliefs in Guru Nanak, along with many other traits, were a legacy of their own. In Los Angeles, each year, a Shahida-de-Sartaj takes place in memory of Guru Arjan Dev Ji and his contributions to Sikhism and Punjab. This year was no different as many followers joined in to remember and appreciate his teachings. TV Asia's Raj Nangia